बन रहे
पैसे तो बॉम्बे में ही है.
बॉम्बे में नए मिलियनेयर्स मल्टी मिलियनेयर्स भी यहीं बन रहे हैं.
For sure, Bombay and Bangalore. Bombay, Bangalore and Delhi in that sequence.
Top 5 cities बताओ.
Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi.
Bombay highest?
Yeah, by margin. Yeah.
Bangalore से भी ऊपर है पैसे बनाने में. ये सब startup boom, tech boom कुछ नहीं.
But Bombay has just got too much money. It's not. It's just not comparable, right? And the capital markets are. Yeah.
Been very kind.
See, number may sometimes. For example, if Flipkart goes for listing, number might increase in Bangalore, but the quantum will eventually it will be.
Number of people making millions is higher in Bombay than.
Yeah, and may become for 1 year it may become Bangalore, but generally speaking, it's going to be Bombay.
Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi.
And Delhi is now Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, right? So if I include all those three there, that still might be slightly more than Bangalore also. Okay, but if I'm talking about NCR as a
let's say Delhi NCR one week.
So then I think it'll still be more than Bangalore.
Okay, so Bombay, then Delhi NCR, then Bangalore,
then Bangalore. Then there's a big dip. Then there is a considerable dip. But Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Calcutta and Chennai will be the next
big ones.
Next 5 big ones.
Small cities, tell me, जो tier 2 definition जैसे इंदौर, उदयपुर, नागपुर टाइप में कहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा बन रहा है?
I think everywhere. So I think everywhere, for example, even if you look above 100 crore families, there will be at least 40 to 50 families in each of these locations.
Still like Surat, Indore,
Rajkot, Nagpur, Jaipur, Baroda.
So everywhere there's money.
Everywhere. No, a huge amount of money in the right places in Kanpur, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Ludhiana, all of these places. UP is doing very, very well also. UP is doing very well.
And over like on books money or off books money?
We can only deal with on books money. I'm only talking about on books money. And then there are obviously exceptions. Okay, there are 2 or 3 families in Bhavnagar, 2 or 3 families but those will be more. It's not as if it's across the board. But all the other cities which we've spoken about, there are at least 40-50 families.
Above 100 crores. On books which they are able to track.
And if you look at the business
100
values...
crore in financial assets. Money जो financial assets में कैसे?
Financial assets. Business valuations देखेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा है फिर. That's a separate...
मैं 100 crore market में लगाने
I think there will be approximately 30 to 40,000 people now with the ability of having 50 crores plus financial assets.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? इंडिया में
30,000 people, yeah.
30-40 हज़ार लोगों के पास 50-100 करोड़ से ज़्यादा लगाने के लिए.
50 crores.
In financial markets, not
financial
real estate.
Assets, yeah.
Do you count real estate?
No, I'm not counting real estate.
Just market में पैसा.
Just financial assets, yeah, including fixed deposits, yeah.
And tell me top 3 fields जहाँ से ये पैसा आता है अभी?
It's across, but top 3 would be still financial services would be the
finance वालों ने finance में लगा कि
financial services, so NBFC, lending,
finance,
banks, that would be the largest. Second, obviously, will be all the 5 sectors. Okay, consumption, healthcare.
Give me one. What do you think जहाँ से पैसा सबसे ज़्यादा आता है?
I would still go then. I think I'll still stick to consumption. Okay, new money in consumption in the last 10 years has been.
So FMCG money.
FMCG money. And third, then if you're looking at the full country, it'll still be industrials. Because manufacturing is...
industrial products and manufacturing
is massive, yeah, massive. Everybody is doing something or the other, right? Chemicals, adhesives, healthcare equipment. Every place has got businesses doing 100, 200, 250 crores of revenue with 10, 15, 20% EBITDA margin. So you make 8, 10, 12 crores. That's compounding every year for the last 8, 10, 12, 15 years. You've not sold your business or you've not monetized your business, but this keeps compounding. And basis whether your next generation wants to do this business or not, then you take a decision. Mujhe rakhna hai, nahi rakhna hai. Should I sell it? Should I not sell it? So in that sense, that's a much later decision. And that is also happening a lot in the last 10, 15 years. Because a lot of the next generation does not want to necessarily go back into the same business. So those type in India, every week there are 5 businesses getting sold for some number between 100 to 4,000 crores, right?
Every week. And where is maximum sales and buying, selling is happening? Which industry?
Same industries.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में रोज कोई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी बिक रही है?
Same five sectors,
Consumer में
same
कुछ
five
नहीं है।
sectors. सबसे ज़्यादा तो obviously is manufacturing because strategics in Europe and the US consolidate into.
And what's a consumer? Let's say, do you think क्योंकि अगर आप कंजम्पशन बोल रहे हो और वहाँ पे बोल रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा सेलिंग बाइंग हो रही है, तो कंजम्पशन व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड कि टॉप 20% के अलावा जो 80% है विच इज़ फ्रॉम योर 10 करोड़ टू 500-600 करोड़ वाला रेंज रेवेन्यू वाला, वो तो बहुत रीजनल है, वो भी बिकते हैं.
Big thing.
They are getting sold by.
For example, let's say if you see ice cream as a category, there are at least 4 big transactions in ice cream in the last 5 years. Lotto, for example, bought.
That was Have More.
Yeah,
that was one of the biggest, like, which is nationwide, right?
Hardly nationwide. Now nationwide. When Have More was there, it was more
just Gujarat.
More regional. Yeah, it was more Gujarat. In every sector, you take your pick. It's.
And what are the multiples these guys are getting sold at?
Multiples to both. It can be all over the place, but it can be very rich. It can range from 15 times to 70 times. So
of profit multiple
of EBITDA or even profit, that depends, but these are very, very unique to every industry, every business. India consumption multiples have always been rich. They've always been 30, 40, 50, 60 times. Healthcare multiples are always rich. Hospitals can quote from anywhere from 15, 16 times all the way to 30, 35 times for the bigger hospitals. Financial services companies can again be very, very broad. You've got financial services companies quoting at 15 times all the way to 50 times of profit. So these are very, see, people like to see 3 things in business, right? So for multiples, number 1, strong and credible management is most important, okay? Because you are effectively backing those set of people. Second, सबसे ज़्यादा important है कि वो बिजनेस कितना बार सेम बिजनेस रिपीट हो सकता है. ठीक है, चैलेंजेस तो हर इंडस्ट्री में रोज आते हैं, तो बिजनेस का रेपिटेटिव वैल्यू क्या है. अब रेपिटेटिव वैल्यू आप क्या क्या चीज़ से मेजर कर सकते हो कि रेवेन्यू कैसे आ रहा है, ब्रांड का क्या पुल है, मैनेजमेंट डिफिकल्टी में आया तो कैसे हैंडल करेगा. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज रेपिटेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ द बिजनेस. जितना बिजनेस रेपिटेटिव है उतना बिजनेस का ज़्यादा मल्टीपल है. थर्ड, मार्केट साइज बिजनेस का कितना ज़्यादा है. टुडे यू assumed 5%, 10% ऑफ द मार्केट शेयर. हाउ मच मोर कैन यू ग्रो. एंड फोर्थ, आप कैपिटल कितना अच्छा से यूज़ कर रहे हो, क्योंकि इफ़ आई एम बाइंग योर स्टॉक और उस पर आपकी जो प्राइस पे स्टॉक खरीद रहा हूँ उस पर आपका प्रॉफिट खाली 10% हो रहा है, तो 10% तो मैं और भी. सो एज अ बिजनेस आपका रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी 15-20% होना चाहिए. तो ये चारों पैरामीटर के ऊपर मल्टीपल्स कैन change. So something which is doing 100 crores of profit can be worth 1,000 crores. Something else which is doing 100 crores of profit can be worth 4,000 crores. Something which is making 100 crores of loss can also be worth 4,000 crores. Okay. Based on these patterns. So there is multiple is one of the parameters. It is not the only parameter. But ये 4-5 चीज में मोटा मोटी I think things kind of get
and also get decided between the desperation of the deal.
Obviously, sometimes if you're buying an asset and it's making you number 2 to number 1, then you will pay. But typically premium 20 से 25% होता है for strategic reasons. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ 100 का 200 हो जाएगा. And there's obviously
बेचना है वो 25 डिस्काउंट में दे देगा अगर भाई निकलना है.
So that's not a 100 becoming 200, but 20-25% premium तो होता ही है.